This is Marina, and we are back with High Energy Fitness Musical Health Talk. We're now at a tempo of 92 beats per minute, which is perfect for any type of body conditioning or stretching that you're doing today. So let's start. Abdominal muscles in and up, chest is high, feet are flat on the floor, yeah? Check your alignment. Make sure your chin is down, guys. You got it going on. Reach out. Reach out. Reach out. Reach out. Reach out today. Reach out. I am being joined by New York City-based actor Brandon Osborne, who's lost 74 pounds. How's your alignment today, Brandon?
It's good.
You look good.
I feel very aligned and straight.
And you're wearing this button-down shirt with short sleeves that fit.
Yeah, I know, right? This shirt, my brother got me from Ireland like 5 years ago.
Wow.
And I haven't been able to wear it because I was gargantuan.
You were fluffy. You were fluffy.
I was more than fluffy.
All right, I'm being PC.
I had fluff on my fluff.
Well, you're not fluffy anymore.
So yeah, so it fits. So I'm like, yes.
You look gorgeous.
Thank you.
Fabulous, baby. You got it. Reach out, reach out, reach out today. Reach out. We're also sitting next to Mary Carter, who's an author extraordinaire. I have her new book in my hand, The Things I Do For You, but she's written like 6 novels or something. It's unbelievable.
Thank you.
Totally. Killer. And she had lost like 15, 18 pounds with Marina.
Nice.
Totally. She's a beautiful girl.
Yeah, it's awesome.
I know, with the long blonde hair and everything going on. She's very middle America looking, Mary Carter. She's a good type here, sitting here in the studio. But she represents women and going for their goals and all that, and reaching out to other people. And Mary and I reached out to each other as 2 women in the arts and in business and doing our thing here in New York City. And she's going to help other writers. I looked at her bio. I have my little cheat sheet here. So I want to talk about a website to go to, which is the Manhattan Writers Den. The Manhattan Writers Den. Talk to me about this thing, Mary Carter.
Yeah, I started the Manhattan Writers Den just about 6 months ago. And it's a great little space that I have where I'm giving 6-week writing workshops to other aspiring novelists, teaching them what I've learned over the period of years that I've written 6 novels. And it's a lot of fun. And the first class is a trial class, so anybody in Manhattan who is an aspiring writer and wants to give it a try, check me out.
Excellent. So you can go to www.themanhattanwritersden.com.
That's it.
For more information.
Exactly.
On Mary Carter and how to be a writer and all that. But she's very talented. I mean, she's a banterer and all that. Don't you hear that in her voice?
Oh, yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Totally. She's an actress.
Yeah.
She's talented. She's an artist.
Oh, stop. No, please don't.
I know. Please, don't call me that. I mean, what can I say? What can I say? All right, we're going to get back into alignment again. Mary Carter, author Mary Carter, and New York City-based actor Brandon Osborne. And they're going to get into alignment, and they're simply going to hold on to the front of their chair. They're going to hold on to the front of their chair. And they're going to pull their abdominal muscles in and up. And they're just going to raise their feet 1 inch off the floor. Just 1 inch. And pull in your stomach. And then put the feet down. Again, feet up, feet down. Again, they're up and down, and up, and down. Again, and up, and down, and up, and down. Feet up again, and down. Wait the time again. All right, keep going, guys. I have my guests in the studio today, and they're lifting their feet on and off the floor, working their lower abdominals. Chest is high, shoulders are down. Great big smile, of course. Mary Carter and Brandon Osborne. And they're working their abs. And now, just let the feet go down. Did you feel a little burn in your lower abdominals, Mary Carter?
I did. It's amazing. You think you can't do anything in a chair, but I was wrong.
Totally. So you got into alignment, totally. We got a little sweat going on. You're sweating. He's always schwitzing, this Brandon
Me
Osborne.
sweating? No.
Totally never. Glowy. Well, Mary's glowy. You know, we don't call women like sweating or schwitzing or anything. She's glowing. But she's literally lifting her feet on and off the floor and working that lower part of the belly. Yeah, things take time like we talked about, so the song is called Waitin' Time. I thought it was apropos that we use this one. And it's at about 95 beats per minute, 95 beats per minute. So let's everybody get into alignment again, abdominal muscles in and up. And now just lift the feet off the floor and just leave them there. Just stay. Just hold them there. Just hold. Working the lower abdominals. You got it going on. Just hold and breathe. Pull that belly button into your back. Chest is high. Drop the shoulders. You got it going on. Stay. And stay. and stay, and stay. A little more. It's stay, stay. 5, 6, 7, 8, and drop the beat down. Okay, you're feeling those little abdominals. So little things we can do in the chair while we write, Mary Carter. Right?
I can really multitask now.
Totally. You got it going on. Mary Carter. We love Mary Carter. All right, so just shake it out, everybody. Drop the shoulders, drop the shoulders. All right, let's continue talking about food, Brandon Osborne, after this oatmeal diet. We should just write the oatmeal diet for you.
Right?
Totally.
It's just great because it really does. It fills you up. I'm an oatmeal fan.
Totally. All right. So I can go there in terms of your insides and the extraction thereof, but I'm not going to talk about it.
It's great.
Cleansing.
It's great.
Cleans you out. It's for another show. All right, never mind. All right, this is Marina. You're listening to High Energy Fitness Musical Health Talk, and we're going to keep it here at a tempo of 95 beats per minute. And I'm just going to show everybody. I'm not going to torture you guys in the studio. They get a break because, you know, they're working for nothing here with Marina today. So I'm just going to scooch off my chair, and I'm simply opening my legs, and I'm sitting into a nice squat. All right? My feet are about a little further than hips width, about shoulders width apart. And my abdominal muscles are in and up. My chest is high. My shoulders are down, yeah? And I'm just holding it steady. Proprioception. Just hold it, guys. You got it. Catch a groove, make a move steady with your body. I'm just holding in a squat. You got it. Hold steady. Catch a groove, don't make a move steady with your body. And I'm going to have a seat. And I was feeling that quad work. And you guys are witnesses that I'm actually doing it in the studio, actually doing that squat, Mary Carter.
You were squatting, Marina.
I was. So you could be doing that too while you're writing. You could get up and squat. You know, I'll be in your earpiece, like talking to you there while you're writing the next novel about a radio personality.
I know, I'm going to have to squat and write now. It's just, there's no other way out of it.
No other way.
No.
No other way. And that's what it's about. It's a little at a time, because that is very much what I preach. Just like you talk about writing, which I love. I love that comparison, which is do something every day a little bit, even if it's just kind of touching your body, checking it out a little bit, seeing where the pants are tight, feel the waistline, feel if the arms are tight. I love the fact that Brandon Osborne has chosen to wear a short sleeve shirt that's buttoned down, because nobody talks about the arms of a shirt being tight. And that does happen.
Yeah.
And they're not tight, Brandon.
Yeah.
Totally. Put your arms around your chest. Hug yourself. Totally. You didn't rip the shirt.
Didn't rip.
Oh my God,
Oh my
unbelievable.
gosh.
Because that is something, you know, when we're heavy and we go to try on something like a coat, the first thing we do is go to button it to see if it goes like this, but the other thing is to wrap your arms around. And sometimes it pulls the back of the jacket.
Yeah, we were talking about that the other day, you know, either get a larger coat and have it tailored, or, you know yourself.
Know yourself.
Yeah,
See
feel
yourself
around.
walking around from the back with that flap hanging open. Nobody talks about these things. All right, well, we're all foodies and fluffy people, so we understand how that works. We go up and down, so we feel that for other people, but it's the truth. Nobody talks about it, guys. Abdominal muscles in and up. Chest is high. You got it going on. Get back into your squat today. You got it. Steady. Catch a groove, don't make a move steady with your body. All right, well, that's enough of that. This is Marina. You're listening to High Energy Fitness Musical Health Talk, and we were talking about getting into alignment, going for your goals, lower abdominals, and squats. So to our listeners, if all you've done today is listen to us in our first 17 minutes and did a little cardio, you got a little movement going on. Then you did abdominals, then you did squats, and you did alignment. It's a full body workout, Brandon Osborne.
It's great. Every day, yeah.
Totally. All right, we're going to make believe we have weights. And Brandon, you're going to demonstrate. All right? Make 2 fists. And give me 2 straight elbows in front of your face. You got it. Extended. Extend your arms.
Like that?
Yeah, totally. Now face your fist down to the floor. You got it going on. Lift your hands a little higher. So just stay there, Brandon. Drop your shoulders. Brandon Osborne is in the studio. His arms are straight ahead in front of him with 2 fists. The elbows are straight. The shoulders are down. He's making believe he's going to hit you and punch you, but both arms are there at the same time, all right? Now, all I want you to do is lift your fists about 1 inch and drop. Again, lift again. Up and down and up and down. Again and up and down and up and down. Again and up and down and up a little faster. It goes up, down. Keep going. Keep dropping the shoulders. Brandon Osborne is lifting his hands up and down. His elbows are straight in front of him. Hands are extended, yeah, just like he has weights. And he's going to the beat at 120 beats per minute. Lift me up. You got it. From no paper cup. You got it up. All right. How's he doing, Mary Carter?
He's doing great.
Totally. We like watching him work. Totally. Lift me up. Lift me up. Sweat. From no paper cup. Work. You got it. Lift me up. Lift me up. Lift me up. All right, drop your arms. So, Brandon, are you feeling a little bit of a sweat coming down?
A little bit, yeah.
All
And you
right.
feel it in the shoulders and the triceps.
Excellent.
Yeah.
All right, so here's the point. You don't have weights. You're sitting at your desk. Nobody has to know about it. The boss doesn't have to know.
Right.
Even the teacher doesn't have to know if you're at school. Because, kids also, I deal a lot with childhood obesity, so a lot of kids, too. They don't have time necessarily because, they're jammed with homework or after-school activities and are not necessarily into sports and have a food addiction and no time to work out or no wherewithal. You can certainly be in the chair and do little things for your abdominals or just raise your arms up and down and just work on your muscles against your own body's resistance. This is Marina. We're at a tempo of 120 beats per minute, lifting our arms up and down in front of us. You got it. Lift me up. All right. Well, that's enough of that. That's enough of that. Song was called Lift Me Up from highenergyfitness.com, Brandon.
I like it. I never drink my champagne from a paper cup.
Of course not. Have to feel fabulous.
Yeah, totally. You do.
Totally. I don't drink champagne anymore. I stopped drinking completely.
Oh, you did?
I did. I gave up alcohol, Mary Carter.
Oh, how long ago?
15 months ago.
That's great. And do you feel better? Or?
I feel fabulous.
Yeah.
I love alcohol, though. I want my drink. What can I say? But, I just don't feel well from it. And, I have a tendency to overindulge.
Yeah.
So for me, it's, abstaining,
Right.
which is better. I also don't want the empty calories. I'd rather eat cake.
Oh, cake is good.
Cake is good. I like that. I had like a s'more thing the other day. I shared it with my son. It was like marshmallows and chocolate and graham crackers, and I heated it up in the microwave.
That
I put a little light ice cream on it. It was delicious.
You're torturing me because I cut out carbs here for a while.
I know you did. I'm going there with you. I'm totally going there. Mary Carter doesn't eat bread anymore at all. She's on a carb-free thing.
Crazy. I don't know how people do no carbs.
I don't know. Well, I don't know. It's working for her,
Yeah,
though.
much respect. Yeah.
Much respect, baby. It's all good. All right. As important as body conditioning cardio is stretch and relaxation. So I've chosen this nice little track just for us to take it easy. So everybody at home listening, inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. You got it going on. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Take that moment for you. Give yourself a break. Things take time. Vocationally, weight, fitness, things take time, and sometimes it doesn't always go the way we would like it. So just take that moment for you. Close your eyes, think about it if you're listening today, yeah? Sit in the chair. Alignment is key. Dropping the shoulders. Just relax. Mary, do you listen to music while you write?
Sometimes I do. I actually prefer noise when I'm writing. I prefer going into a loud coffee shop and
Really?
having kind of conversations going on around me. But
I like it.
music helps too.
All right, I like that. So that goes with the flow of hearing the music, feeling the beat, and never stop moving in your body and your life because her brain keeps moving. You know what I'm saying? The characters keep flowing. I kind of get that. I kind of get the movement and feeling that
Absolutely, yeah.
rather than being stagnant.
Yeah, they never shut up, unfortunately.
There you go. Well, we like that. Talking, moving, singing all at the same time. It goes along with the drinking coffee and eating, too. And that's okay.
Yeah.
That's all right. She drinks her coffee. What's in that coffee today?
I do. It's just a regular latte.
Milk.
Milk and espresso.
Very nice. I like it. I like the whole thing. Everybody hear the music, feel the beat. Never stop moving in your body and your life. I've been joined today by Brandon Osborne, a New York City-based actor who has lost 74 pounds. Good job, Brandon.
Thank you.
Love it.
Thank you.
New York City-based author Mary Carter, whose new book, The Things I Do for You, is going to be read by Marina starting today, I promise you. And I just want to mention her website again here in New York City, the ManhattanWritersDen.com, www.themanhattanwritersden.com with Mary Carter. Thank you for being with me, Mary Carter.
Thank you so much, Marina. You've inspired me once again.
Thank you, my darling. Feel good, people. We'll be back.